How can teachers or students assess their progress in improving MAP test scores?
Hello, educators and learners. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic. How can teachers and students assess their progress in improving MAP, measures of academic progress, test scores? This video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of MAP tests, how to use the generated data to track improvement, and methods to elevate the learning process. Remember, the goal is not only to improve the test scores, but to encourage continuous learning and growth.
What are MAP tests?
The MAP test is a computerized adaptive test which adjusts to the student's ability level. The results of the MAP test can provide educators with valuable data on student progress and areas for development. This data, when used correctly, can help tailor instruction to meet the individual needs of each student, and ultimately, improve MAP test scores.
How to interpret MAP test results?
Understanding your MAP test results is the first step towards improvement. RIT scores, which stands for RASH unit, are a measure of a student's instructional level. They indicate what a student knows and is ready to learn next. A higher RIT score signifies a higher academic performance. Teachers can compare RIT scores from different testing periods to assess a student's academic growth. The goal is to see a steady increase in RIT scores over time, which demonstrates progress.
How to use MAP test data to improve scores?
MAP tests provide a wealth of data that teachers and students can use to assess and drive improvement. Teachers can analyze the data to identify strengths and areas of improvement in their class. They can then use this information to tailor their instruction to meet the unique needs of their students. Students can use the MAP test results to identify their weaknesses and work on improving them. They can also use their RIT scores to set realistic goals and track their progress towards achieving these goals.
What strategies can teachers and students implement?
Teachers can implement differentiated instruction strategies to support students at different levels of learning. They can also provide students with resources to practice skills they are struggling with. Students can improve their MAP test scores by regularly practicing skills identified as weak areas. They can also benefit from self-monitoring, which includes setting learning goals, tracking their progress, and reflecting on their learning. Remember, the MAP test is not only a tool to assess academic progress but is also a guide to enhance the learning journey of each student. The ultimate goal is growth and learning. We hope this video helps you understand how to assess and improve your MAP test scores. Keep learning, keep growing.